This is a pipe slicer. It's designed to accommodate those tight locations where you can't use a standard pipe cutter or a hacksaw. It comes in a range of 22mm and a 15mm size to match standard copper tubing. A hacksaw creates a rough bird cut which needs to be filed or sanded down smooth before you can use the pipe. If you use a pipe slicer, it creates a clean, even burrless cut. Remove the pipe out of the holder batts just to create a little bit more room. Place the pipe slicer into place and turn the pipe slicer around in the direction shown. Keep rotating the pipe slicer until you've cut all the way through the pipe. The cutting blade is spring-loaded to give a continuous cut. These pipe cutters save you time and effort, and not to mention removes that frustration level of those difficult, awkward locations of working with copper piping. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.